Welcome to this week's edition of Jaguar TV.
Mr. Lee, this thing broke. Well, I tell you what, sometimes that happens.
Oh no, our beaker, it's broken.
All right, Bailey, you need to clean that up. Go get the dustpan, sweep it up, and put it in the broken glass container.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Glenn, you have your homework? It's your responsibility to do your homework.
Gordon, you have 32 F on this report card. You're on probation and will not play Friday.
Dual Credit Biology isolated their own DNA from cheek cells collected by swishing water in their mouth. The students used a variety of chemicals to break down cell and nuclear membranes, accessing their DNA. Then, using ethanol to precipitate the DNA, students were able to see their results.
Like physics students traveled to the Washington Parish Free Fair again this year to make observations, collect data, and make calculations. On the Pharaoh's Fury, which is essentially a big pendulum, students measured the time it took for 3 revolutions at full swing. Afterwards, they calculated the acceleration of gravity and were able to determine the percent error compared to the unknown value of 9.81 meters per second squared. Students were also able to determine the velocity of the gravitron based on the time of 3 rotations and the radius of the rod. Students were not collecting quantitative data, they were asked to feel the g-forces associated with a rod. Note the direction that inertia would direct their movements if not restrained, and feel times when their bodies felt like they weighed more or less.
Last week, North Pike held its annual College and Career Fair for seniors. Students spoke with recruiters from Ole Miss, JSU, SMCC, and many others. To prep their campus for this event, teachers decorated their doors to represent the college of their choice. Earning first place was Miss Reeves and Miss Rushing, second place was Coach Eccles with help from Miss A, and third place went to Miss Nichols. Thank you for participating, and good luck, seniors, as you make decisions about your colleges and careers.
Each year, the North Pike Elementary PTO hosts the Spooky Sprint for kindergarten through 3rd graders, and our Big Jags lend a helping hand. North Pike Geek Squad hosts a trunk or treat for all the runners, and our Jaguar soccer teams run alongside participants, helping them finish strong. Thank you for giving back, Jags.
Miss Russell's physics students are at it again. They are always at work doing labs and solving problems. Here you see them performing the Atwood Machine Lab. This is a classic physics lab often done in college-level physics where acceleration of the system and acceleration of gravity can be calculated. The data being collected is the time it takes for the mass to move from approximately 1 meter off the floor to the floor.
Yesterday, DECA traveled to Jackson for the DECA Leadership Convention, where they learned about leadership and entrepreneurship while networking and growing as a group. A little dancing and lunch from food trucks always makes for a great time.
Last Friday, our Jaguars clinched the title of Region 6 4A champs. The Jaguars will close out the regular season tonight at South Pike.